The baby deer are getting big. Well, sorry for the mess, but I'm so excited to find this quantity of chicken in the woods. I haven't had this in a couple of years, actually, although a buddy of mine at work did give me a little bit last year, and it made me miss it even more. But I got 14 pounds from the log that I showed in yesterday's video, and I just started to saute them. Again, I'm in the PA house, and because we're moving to New York, things are a little whack, but I'm sauteing them in butter and olive oil, no seasoning, and I'm only doing a mild saute. I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags and freeze them, and when I'm ready to use them, I will saute them a little further, and then I will add what I like in them: garlic, salt, and black pepper. Obviously the butter and olive oil. But yeah, this is an incredibly awesome harvest, and there's still a lot more down there. So I just thought I'd give you 2 minutes of what I'm doing. And I don't want to waste a lot of your time. But yeah, this is going to be absolutely delicious. And if you're into this kind of thing, I really hope you can find it in your area, because it's so worth trying. And I will tell you a very quick recipe that I truly enjoy these in, is cutting them up into small chunks, making sure that they're sauteed well with, my hook is the olive oil, butter, garlic, a little bit of salt, and the black pepper, and then throw in 3 or 4 eggs and scramble it up and make like a chicken of the woods omelet. You want to talk about an awesome breakfast, awesome anytime kind of meal. But all right, guys, today is August 24th, 2021. Hope you have a great night, and we'll talk soon. Take care now. And again, here is another pan full. This is the 6th pan full that I've made so far tonight. This is one that I just finished. It's getting ready to go in the baggies for the freezer. They are incredibly delicious. No wonder they're so expensive to buy. And I have a little bit left, so I probably have another pan and a half here. Again, this is just, I'm filled with glee. Chicken of the woods is my absolute favorite. All right, guys, sorry to keep running this on, but y'all have a great night, and we'll talk soon. Take care.